Hi guys, I'm Vimal Chintapatla. I'm a tech reviewer on YouTube. First of all, thank you for coming to Vishal Computech for this Aura workshop happening. So today I'll be showcasing some brand new AI laptops that have been recently launched by Lenovo. They're called as Aura Edition laptops. What exactly is Aura Edition? I know you people might get this first question, right? Why are they calling it as Aura Edition? So Lenovo has co-engineered this laptop along with Intel. So they're working on the CPU over here. Lenovo Aura Edition laptops are also getting some unique AI experiences. So this one over here is Lenovo solving Yoga Slim 7 Aura Edition laptop, and it's got some interesting features which are basically categorized into like these three sections. You're getting something called a smart mode, smart share, and also smart care. So these were like the main important AI features guys introduced on the Aura Edition. Again, as I've told you, it's just like a beginning. More features are yet to come, and I just got to know that they've also introduced a brand new feature recently on this Aura Edition laptop. It's called as Lenovo AI Now. So Intel has a couple of GPUs right now. Arc A series, B series is also there. B series is yet to come here.